Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need core skills first: networking, OS concepts, and a scripting habit. Once you have those, create your free Azure account and enable multi-factor authentication to protect access. Make sure to set billing alerts so you never get surprised. Choose a certification roadmap. Start with AZ 900 for cloud basics, then move to AZ 104 for administrator skills. Begin immediately with short study sessions. 90 minutes per day focused on hands-on labs, so you build muscle memory while learning why services behave the way they do. Now you execute practical projects that mirror real work. Deploy virtual machines, design virtual networks with subnets and NSGs, and codify deployments with ARM or Bicep templates so you can repeat infrastructure reliably. Simultaneously, practice identity and access controls using Azure Active Directory, RBAC roles, and service principles. This is why security models matter for operations. Once done, instrument everything with Azure Monitor and log analytics to capture telemetry and set alerts. Make sure to review cost reports you finalize by validating skills. Take the AZ 104 exam and add a specialty certificate such as Azure DevOps or Security to stand out. While studying, build clear runbooks and automate repeatable tasks so day-to-day operations are efficient. Prepare concise interview stories that explain challenges, actions, and measurable outcomes. If deployment or access fails, reproduce the problem in a fresh lab environment, gather diagnostics and logs, and then troubleshoot step by step. This disciplined approach prevents wasted time and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.